يلا.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe.
Already.
TikTok. Okay. Please, no! 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 No!
Seriously? Already?
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go, yeah. I'm TikToker.
They ask a lady every single day.
Wallah, I cook. What do you say, fucker? What do you say?
Her car is slow.
Yeah, exactly.
Ako na naman tinutok mo, walang hiya ka.
Hello everyone. Hi. Make me famous, please. Wanna quit my job, please?
Puro walang hiya to.
Not a picture.
Hello everyone, I am famous. Come back, let's go follow me. Follow me for more videos. Yes, this is Singapore pavilion. You can see the flowers, the green. You feel me? Yeah, exactly. Let's go, Ali. Make me famous. I want to Yalla, come.
So today, we're having
welcome.
Ibo the Great.
Yeah, welcome to the new vlog, guys. Come with me. I'll show you the pavilion. Look at this green stuff right here.
No, first introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Ibrahim. I am the general manager of and there is Fatima, that's my colleagues. We work together, but I don't like them anyway. So okay, let's start. Let's go, guys. Let's take you on a journey with me to the Expo 2022.
2022.
I don't know my cut. Again, guys.
Okay.
Let's go, guys, to take another adventure to Expo 2020. Come on with me, guys. Let's go. Yalla.
Nandiyo mo lamay, ang dati kasi yung balay ni.
Pakak ata. Pakay, paku.
Bimasiman di pakakman, friend.
What the fuck?
So today, I'm with a famous person.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes, yalla.
He is a strider.
Yes. Hey, what's up, man? My name is Ibrahim. I'm welcome to new vlog. We're out here in Dubai. You feel me? Yeah, let's go. Let's get it. Let's go.
Robin Padilla, ay. Who are you? Good. Where?
Important for the country.
What happened? What did you do?
That's it. Allah, let's go, guys. Let's go. We'll take the journey of your life. Me and Rashid right here. That's the hardest thing of my Rashid.
I thought
His name is Rashid because he's tall and he's not handsome.
Hey, hey, hey. 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 I don't even know you're actually holding the camera.
Another show that we are here in Expo. It's amazing. Look, enjoy the vlog. Look at it. Look at it. Show them. Show them. Look. Look. Yes, we're making a vlog. Yes, very good. Look at the beautiful water. They're doing the show. Wow. Amazing, right, guys?